Upgrading an entry door is one of the smartest ways to enhance your Fayetteville home. A new door boosts curb appeal, improves energy efficiency, strengthens security, and adds long-term value. But while the upgrade seems simple, many homeowners unknowingly make mistakes that lead to unnecessary expenses, installation issues, and disappointing results. By understanding what to avoid, you can ensure your new entry door delivers both beauty and performance for years to come. Choosing style over function. A stylish entry door is great, but not if it fails to meet the functional needs of your home. Many Fayetteville homeowners choose doors based solely on appearance without considering energy efficiency, durability, or maintenance requirements. For example, solid wood doors look stunning but require more upkeep in areas with high humidity and temperature swings. Steel and fiberglass doors often offer better long-term performance, especially in Fayetteville's warm, sometimes unpredictable climate. Tip: identify your priorities first: insulation, strength, low maintenance, natural light. Then choose a style that supports those needs. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Energy efficiency plays a major role in your home's comfort and utility costs. A common mistake is assuming all new doors offer the same performance. In reality, entry doors vary significantly in insulation, weather sealing, and energy ratings. Fayetteville homeowners should look for features like insulated cores, high-quality weather stripping, Energy Star certification, low emissivity, low E glass for doors with windows. A poorly insulated door can allow drafts, cause temperature inconsistencies, and increase heating and cooling expenses. Tip: when comparing options, pay close attention to insulation value and construction details, not just the exterior look. Not measuring properly. Improper measurements are one of the most common and costly entry door mistakes. Even a small measurement error can lead to gaps, poor sealing, and installation delays. Some homeowners assume a standard size will work, only to discover their frame has shifted or settled over time. Tip: always measure the height, width, and depth of the opening at multiple points. When in doubt, rely on a professional installer to take precise measurements before ordering your door. Overlooking security features. Your entry door is your home's first line of defense. Still, many homeowners forget to consider advanced security features when upgrading. Standard locks and hinges may not be strong enough to deter forced entry. For maximum protection, look for reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, heavy-duty strike plates, steel or fiberglass materials, impact-resistant glass tip. Choose a door that enhances security without compromising style. Today's premium entry doors offer both cutting corners with DIY installation. DIY installation may seem like a way to save money, but it often leads to costly long-term issues. Entry doors require precise alignment, leveling, and sealing. One mistake can cause drafts, leaks, or uneven operation. Many Fayetteville homeowners discover too late that DIY installation voided their warranty or created structural issues. Tip: hire a qualified professional who understands proper installation and local building regulations. A well-installed door performs better and lasts longer. Selecting the wrong material for Fayetteville weather. Fayetteville experiences a mix of warm summers, mild winters, and varying humidity levels. Choosing a door material without considering the climate can lead to warping, fading, swelling, or premature wear. For example, wood requires frequent sealing and maintenance. Steel may dent but offers excellent security and insulation. Fiberglass performs well in humid environments and offers the best combination of durability and efficiency. Tip: consider your home's exposure to sun, rain, and temperature shifts when selecting material. Ignoring curb appeal and home style while function is important, your entry door should also complement your home's exterior. Some homeowners choose a style that looks appealing on its own but clashes with their home's architectural character. This can hurt curb appeal and reduce overall value. Tip: choose a design, color, and hardware that blends seamlessly with your home's exterior features. Upgrading your entry door in Fayetteville is a valuable investment, but avoiding these common mistakes will ensure you get maximum comfort, security, and long-term satisfaction. With the right planning and professional guidance, your new entry door can transform your home's look and performance for years to come.